Take a look around. Ever notice how most people seem to use their right hand for almost everything? It's like the world is designed for right-handed folks. But why is that? Today, we're diving into one of the most interesting quirks of human biology. Why are most of us right-handed? About 90% of people worldwide are right-handed, and only around 10% are left-handed. But what makes this asymmetry so common? To find out, we need to dive into a mix of science, evolution, and a little bit of mystery. It all starts here, in the brain. Our brains are divided into two hemispheres, and these hemispheres control opposite sides of our body. The left hemisphere controls the right side, and the right hemisphere controls the left side. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The left hemisphere is also where most people process language and other complex tasks. This dominance might explain why so many of us favor our right hand. The left brain is in charge of more precise movements like writing or throwing. But handedness isn't just about brain structure. Genetics plays a role too. If your parents are both right-handed, there's a high chance you'll be right-handed too. But if one or both of your parents are left-handed, the odds shift. There's no single gene responsible for handedness, though. Scientists believe multiple genes are involved. So it's not a simple one gene for right, one gene for left situation. But why would evolution favor right-handers? Some scientists think it comes down to survival. Early humans may have had an advantage using their right hand for tools, hunting, or even fighting. As these skills became more important, right-handedness became more common. It's possible that over generations, right-handed individuals were just better at these critical tasks, and this trait became more widespread. On top of that, culture and society have played a role. Historically, some societies actively discouraged left-handedness. In schools, children were often forced to write with their right hand, even if it wasn't their natural preference. Even today, most tools and objects are designed with right-handers in mind. From scissors to musical instruments, it's a right-handed world. But left-handers aren't exactly rare. Some of history's most creative minds were left-handed. And studies have even shown that left-handers may be better at tasks involving creative problem-solving and spatial awareness. So, why are most of us right-handed? It's a mix of brain structure, genetics, evolution, and even culture. But there's still a lot we don't fully understand, and maybe that's what makes it so fascinating. Whether you're right-handed or left-handed, you're in good company. After all, both hands have their own unique strengths. So embrace your handedness, whatever it may be. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep your curiosity cached.